Salam lovelies, did any of you actually attend boarding school? Momlife Lily here. I'm going to tell you a short story of how my school in Kenya was. My mom came one day to me and told me I was going to a new school. I was happy and excited as a normal child would be, right? It would be about 1.5 hours away from home. Well, the first few days were, okay, let me see. I was so afraid of sleeping by myself, not to mention waking up early to bath with extra cold water and drink almost burnt porridge, like by force. Like the nuns will stand there outside the dormitory, the dining room, and make sure that we've finished our porridges, and you are not supposed to give anybody to like drink it for you. I forgot the beatings we got just because a piece of cloth bearing your number was collected on the yard because some other girl came and took your peg, or just the wind came and flew your stuff. I hated it. We closed for holidays after 3 months, and I told my mother, I will not go back to that school. Luckily, she believed me and took me to a better school. Girl, I feel if you've survived a Kenyan boarding school, you can survive anywhere in the world. I love to know your experiences, your high school experiences, primary school experiences. Yeah, and actually, I was in boarding school even up to secondary school. Like, I was all along in boarding school. Yeah, that's just a little about me. I hope you had a great day, a great Ramadan day for those who are Muslims. And yeah.